Hello friends, this is Ganesh. Please watch my previous videos. Link has been provided in the description. In this video, we are going to see Hive Metastore. What is Hive Metastore? Hive Metastore will consist of metadata about the tables, partitions, buckets created by the user. All the metadata for Hive tables and partitions are accessed through the Hive Metastore. Hive Metastore provides two important features, which are data abstraction and data discovery, which is important for a data warehouse. Without data abstraction provided in Hive, a user has to provide information about data formats, extractors and loaders along with the query. Data discovery enables user to discover and explore relevant and specific data in the warehouse. After installing Hive Metastore, we could find all the tables which are being created in Hive Metastore. We could configure Hive Metastore in two modes. One is embedded, another one is remote. Embedded Metastore is also called local Metastore. In embedded mode, the database will be Ruby. In a remote Metastore, the database could be a traditional standalone RDBMS server. Local Metastore or embedded Metastore is recommended for only for testing purpose. In embedded mode, Hive client directly connects to an underlying Metastore using JDBC. In embedded Metastore setup, Metastore server component is used like a library within the Hive client. It means in the Hive client itself, the Metastore will be available. But in remote Metastore, all Hive clients will make a connection to a Metastore server, which in turn queries the data store, which will be available in a RDBMS server. Metastore server and client communicates using Thrift protocol in remote Metastore server. These are the configurations which we need to do during our setup for a remote Metastore setup. We need to provide connection URL, connection driver name, connection username, connection password, and the Metastore warehouse directory and the bind host for the Metastore. We will be creating a Hive Metastore database in MySQL for our usage. To create a Metastore DB in MySQL, first we need to log in as a root user. Then we are creating a database called Hive Metastore. Then we create a user Hive with credential admin, and we provide all the privileges on the database Hive Metastore to the user Hive. Then we flush the privileges. After creating Hive Metastore database, we are switching to the Metastore database, which is Hive Metastore. In the newly created Metastore database, we are going to execute this script, which will be available in our Hive tar file itself. Once we execute this command, all the tables required for a Hive Metastore will be created in the database Hive Metastore. You will see all the tables after execution of the command. We have switched to the database, and we are executing the command to show the tables. It shows all the tables created inside the Hive Metastore database. Here the table TBLS will contain all the table metadata. In the same way, partitions will contain all the partitions created using the create table commands. This is all about Hive Metastore. Please subscribe to the channel and share the videos. Thank you. Have a good day.